Welcome! In this video, we're going to go over how to get into Zazzle, how to add an image to Zazzle, and how to edit that image for your products. Feeling ready? Let's get started. The first step is to be in your web browser, and then type in Zazzle.com. Once you are here, navigate to the top of the page and click the button labeled Sign In. You will be prompted to input your email and password. For the email section, enter in maxmedialab@gmail.com, and then have the lab director, your mentor, or Dr. Ellen assist you with the password. Once you've logged in, type in the white box next to the Zazzle title T-shirt, and press enter for results. Now, select the first result that comes up, the one that says Create Your Own. Then, scroll down and select the image that says Kids T-shirts below it. And now, feel free to pick between the three given options. In the future, whenever you are branching out from the basic templates we are working on now, you will need to pay attention to prices. As you can see, the prices we have on these basic t-shirts are quite low, and you can certainly go a little higher with them. But never buy too much, as nobody will be able or willing to purchase your products if you set the price too high. So, whenever you are picking out products to work with in the future, try your best to choose those at lower costs. Continuing on, for this example, let's select the Kids Basic T-shirt, which will bring us to the product's main editing page. In order to start working on the design of this shirt, press the blue button in the corner that says Add Image. To find the image we'll be working with, open the folder that contains your project resources, locate the image you'll be using, and make sure that your image is of the PNG type. To confirm your image is all the right dimensions, you can visit the Zazzle Templates and Guides section of the Zazzle page on the Beta Dreams website. So, now we are in the editor for your product. There's a lot we can do here, but I'm just going to go over some of the basics. If you want to learn more about this, you can feel free to play around when you create your own products. Here's the image we've just inserted, our Nerd Battalion icon. If you click on it, you have the ability now to rotate it with this circle here on the side. You have the ability to change its size, smaller or bigger. Though be careful, if you increase the size by too much, this yellow icon will appear, indicating that your image is distorted, and it may not appear correctly on your product. So let's go ahead and delete that and start from scratch. Here on the side, we have a lot of extra options. You can use filters to change the color or the styling of your product. You can crop your product to take off sections of it that you feel are not needed. You have other options of changing the size of your product here, although again, be aware of this yellow icon. Additional options of rotating your icon, flipping your icon, and if you feel the need to add some extra style to your product, you can always add text. Let's go ahead and keep this one simple though. So let's remove the text, and let's remove this distorted icon, and we'll just keep it simple like this. If you click this preview icon on the bottom, though it will sometimes display on its own, you can see what your product will look like. Let's go ahead and move this up just a little bit, keeping it centered. There, this looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and click Done and see how this will look. There are some additional options out here, such as your t-shirt coloring. Just try and keep the colors matching to the icon or logo on your product. That's all we'll be covering in this video, but make sure you join us next time where we will be covering how to post your product for sale.